Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download Coinomi application on your Android device. So, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Play Store and go to the search box at the top. Type in Coinomi and search. Look for this Coinomi Crypt Bitcoin wallet application and tap on the Install button to begin downloading the app on your Android phone. Now, wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Coinomi is known to be a popular, non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet that supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and tokens. It is available for both mobile and desktop devices. So, once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button and you will be able to launch Coinomi on your Android device. So, that is how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.